Hi, my name is Niño, and my current role here at Virtudesk is a general virtual assistant. My main responsibilities revolve around social media marketing and content management. So I edit photos, I edit videos, as well as handling their social media accounts. I also support email marketing as well as website updates and redesign. I currently work with multiple clients right now. Two of them work in a real estate industry, and the other two owns a retail business and an event organizing business. One of the things that I appreciate here working at Virtudesk is the support system that they have given me prior to joining here. I have no experience, so they provided me with necessary trainings and coachings, and they really pushed me to the best VA that I am right now and given me the confidence to work with multiple clients in different industries. So another thing that I love about Virtudesk is their annual gatherings. Recently, I attended an event in Cebu where I got to meet these amazing and inspiring VAs, and I got to bond with them, and it amazes me how they have been here at Virtudesk for more than 5 years, and it opened me to the potential and growth that I could have here at Virtudesk. And lastly, I love the people here. I love the people that supports me. I love the people that has my back in days where I feel not so motivated. And without them, it would be a hard task to be a VA. And I just love these people, and it is something that I look up in the next coming years to work with these amazing VAs.